Hello HandiFoam sales team. Excited to finally get a chance to talk to you guys about our 2-16 availability and the fact that we're also going to be phasing out our current 2-12 and 22 products. So these products now are going to be available to be ordered and shipped. So this welcome package or launch kit, if you will, that we sent to you has a couple elements to it. First off, if you look at the package that you have here, this has everything that you need to know about the product, from our PowerPoint presentations, our sell sheets, our price sheets, tech data sheets, SDS sheets, etc., etc. So this is your resource and tool to see what's available to help sell the product. Secondly, we've given you two kits here. The goal with the kits are to be able to either demo out with a customer or supply one of these kits to your customer so that they can demo to the contractors and get some usage and excitement going. But I want to focus on some of the things that we've done with this. Last time we got a chance to talk was in February, so it's been a handful of months. I want to kind of treat this as a refresher so that you know some of the key elements of the product. First off, this is the very first product that we have, pretty exciting, that's going to be coming out with our new packaging. What we shared at the sales meeting, the HandiFoam completely professional brand and the new look and feel of our packaging. You're going to see this coming out on additional products throughout the next handful of months, but this is going to be the first one that's going to actually be for sale. Simply open up the product. You've got right here a little red safety. You pull the safety out. The safety is basically just holding the gun in place and holding the trigger in place. After that, pull the gun out. And if you notice on the gun here, this gun mimics our current handy gun. Same color, same look and feel, same ergonomics. The reason why we did that is our current handy gun has a lot of brand equity. The product that we had before with the old roller didn't really feel like it was part of our product line from a holistic perspective. This one now does. On top of the fact that as we'll go spray and as you guys sprayed at the sales meeting, the controllability of this gun significantly improved. And then color-wise nozzles. We've been able to introduce color-wise nozzle, that technology, into this gun as well. And there's two color-wise nozzles that come with this kit. So pretty excited about that. We're going to do the rest of this stuff. I'm going to put on some PPE and we're going to actually go spray and see the product in action. So follow me. Okay, now we're ready to spray. If you notice, I've got gloves on, I've got my skin, no skin is exposed, my respirator, and my safety glasses. So we're going to start out real simple. Getting things activated before. We got to shake this for a couple minutes. I already did that. Make sure everything's activated. Take your color-wise nozzle. It's a simple color-wise nozzle. It's a simple twist and snap. You feel it when it's in, so it's in really good shape. Now we're good to go. To activate this, it's really simple. Just do about a quarter turn on each of these black collars, and you can feel a snap. You push and snap, and you can feel it. Once that happens, everything is good to go. So I'm going to close this up, because what we have on the inside of our packaging here, it tells you that you need to invert the kit for use. Put my respirator on. Put it upside down. It's as simple as that. Good luck selling.